So here's 20201 Estero Gardens, number 205. The flooring is a laminate like the other property we had discussed. And then there is tile and carpet in some of the other rooms. This room has carpet in it. Looks to be in good condition. And this is the den in the other properties. They have converted it into a full bedroom with a closet. You also have a door here so you can actually shut it off and use it as a bedroom. And that's the walk-in closet in the guest bedroom. As far as the flooring, this laminate doesn't seem quite as sturdy. You can see a little bit of raising on some of the edges there. You do have a gorgeous view. Palm tree out there, and that's just an aerator to keep the water flowing. And then you actually have a fountain. It's kind of hard to see, but right over there. No road noise to speak of on this one. Although they're calling this furnished by not having a bed in this room, I almost think it's partially furnished, but at least it'll give you quite a bit to start out with. And that's where a lot of people will put a kind of a kitchen table. They do a few bar stools off of that area, and then kind of the living room over here, but you can sort of set up however you'd like. Hope this helps.